Welcome to another episode of Rated V, where I excite you about plant-based food through travel guides, recipes, and food reviews. And today I'm going to show you how to make panes con pavo, which is a typical dish made in El Salvador. And for those of you who don't know, El Salvador is a small country in Central America, and this is a typical dish that is eaten during holidays or just whenever. Typically made with turkey or chicken, but of course we're not making it that way. We're gonna make it vegan, so let's get into it. So for the meat, I like to use trumpet mushrooms. You can find this at most Asian stores. I like using this mushroom because when shredded, it looks like real white meat and has a great texture. Make sure to slice the tops and the bottoms as well. To season your mushroom meat, use mustard, soy sauce, paprika, and salt to give it flavor. You can also use vegan Worcestershire sauce. Then you will mix it all together and place on a baking sheet to bake until nice and cooked, about 20 minutes. Now for the salsa. Tomatoes, carrot, bell pepper, onions, and garlic really give it flavor. I made extra sauce, so you won't need all of this for the mushrooms that you have, but trust me, you will want leftovers. The exact measurements can be found in the comment box below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video and see other vegan food and travel videos. Grill the veggies until nice and charred. It smells amazing. Now the most important part for this sauce is the relajo. This is a mix of cumin seeds, pepper, cloves, peanuts, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, bay leaves, and guajillo chiles. After toasting a bit, you will blend in with the veggies and some tomato paste to create a delicious, creamy sauce with an explosion of flavor. Now let's look at the mushrooms. Like seriously, why do you even need turkey anymore? Look how meaty these mushrooms look. So good. Mix in the mushrooms into half of the sauce and simmer for about 10 minutes. Now to build the sandwich, you will need French bread hoagie rolls, lettuce, radishes, and you can also put sliced tomatoes, watercress, vegan mayonnaise, whatever you want. It's really your preference, but radishes are definitely a must for me, and watercress, but I couldn't find it here since I'm in Spain, but you get the point. And now it's time to enjoy. Okay, so now you can enjoy this delicious sandwich. I highly recommend this. All right, so now let's try this. This is so good. I haven't eaten this in years and it's just comfort food. It's amazing. You have to try it. If you want a little taste of El Salvador, I highly recommend this. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. So hope you guys like it. Bye.